Hey there, my name is Matt Moore and I'm the owner of Easy Auto Spa, and I can't thank you enough for choosing our team for your paintless dent repair needs. I want to go over briefly what to expect from us. That way if you have any questions, if you have any concerns, you can feel free to ask our team, but I want to go over the timeline and just kind of the overall process. First things first, you should have been told when your drop-off time is or what your scheduled appointment time is. And if you plan on waiting in our waiting room, feel free to drop off right around that time or maybe a few minutes early. However, if you're leaving it overnight or you're leaving the vehicle with us for the entire day, feel free to drop it off as early as you'd like. We're here at 8:30 in the morning, but we do have a night drop box at all of our locations where you can drop your car off out front, leave the keys, and then go about your day. When the actual vehicle comes into our shop, the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna do another inspection of it. We went over the dent repair, we went over the actual damage with you. Sometimes it's in our parking lot or maybe in our shop when you came by, but we're gonna do it under our lights to make sure there's nothing that we didn't catch the first time. Once we've assessed the damage and made sure there's nothing abnormal about it, we're gonna start the actual repair process. A majority of the time, something will come off the car. We call this removal and installation, where we take it apart, we'll access the backside and massage the damage back out. We're gonna go as minimalistic as possible, and we're also gonna have the software that allows us to know exactly how the manufacturer's intended for the car to come apart and then intended for it to go back together. Sometimes when a car comes in, the panel can't be accessed from the backside. Maybe it's on a rail, or maybe it's behind some obstructed or brace. In that case, we're gonna use something called glue pulling to pull from the outside of the panel and to make this dent go away and make it look like it never happened. Either way, our technician and our team will make sure your car is being taken care of from the moment it comes in our shop to the moment you pick it up. Once the repair is completed, our technicians will reassemble the vehicle back to OEM standards. If needed, we'll even scan the vehicle to make sure no codes were tripped in the process. After the repair is complete, we'll do a final quality control. We're gonna make sure this car looks as perfect as it can possibly look. Any touch-up or buffing or scratch removal that's needed will be done at this time, and the car will be pulled right around front for you to pick up. If you're sitting in our waiting room, you should expect usually around an hour for every inch of damage. If you planned on dropping it off and leaving it for the day, our manager or estimator will give you a call as soon as the car is ready to be picked up. Thanks so much for choosing our team. If you have any questions about the process or anything else you need along the way, feel free to reach out to us. We're always here. Thank you again.